10 amazing robot animals that actually exist. Millions of years of evolution have allowed animals to develop some elegant and highly efficient abilities like locomotion, flight, and dexterity. However, technology has really come a long way as well. All of us have mini robots at home, radio-controlled toys, drones, and stuff. But the robots we have at home and see in stores are absolutely different compared to ones in the labs all around the world. We don't even know about it, but many robotic companies are working every single day trying to imitate aspects of nature and creating robot models of animals due to the fact that these abilities can potentially solve complex human issues. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech City. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 10 amazing robot animals that actually exist. Are you ready for that? Robotic animals can help researchers better understand locomotion, evolution, and simply how certain animals accomplish the amazingly unique tasks that they do. But they can also have tangible applications, from spying for the rare moments of wild nature life to aiding in search and rescue missions. Here's a roundup of 10 robots whose designs were inspired by animals and what they can do. Number 10. Butterfly robots. This is the elegant robotic butterfly created by German company called Festo. This e-motion butterfly is the lightest robot in existence. Its weight is only 32 grams, which is as light as a light bulb. The set of batteries allows the butterfly to stay on for 15 minutes. The e-motion butterflies are kept and tracked with 10 cameras, which monitor and guide their flight. It is really an amazing robot because it can fly by moving its wings like a real insect, and you can easily mistake this robot from a real butterfly. This is really impressive, right? Number 9. Smart Bird. The Smart Bird was also made by Festo. This is Ornithopter, which was inspired by the herring gull. The Smart Bird can take off flight and land by itself. It's one of the robots which imitates the flight of real birds. These wings can flap and twist, and it can move in a vertical way. This robot perfectly imitates the flight of the real bird, which looks absolutely amazing. This robot can help researchers understand the bird's flight better and even improve the way which airplanes can be designed. Moreover, during the flight, data such as wing position and battery charge status are continuously recorded and monitored in real time. Number 8. SnakeBot. Do you like real snakes? I can agree. They are really scary and you never know what to expect from them. However, here is something more terrifying than a real snake. This is SnakeBot. A SnakeBot is a biomorphic, hyper-redundant robot that resembles a biological snake. Snake robots come in many shapes and sizes, from the 4 stories long Earthquake SnakeBot developed by Syntef to a medical SnakeBot developed by Carnegie Mellon University that is thin enough to maneuver around organs inside a human chest cavity. Though SnakeBots can vary greatly in size and design, there are 2 qualities that all SnakeBots share. First, their small cross-section to length ratio allows them to move into and maneuver through tight spaces. Second, their ability to change the shape of their body allows them to perform a wide range of behaviors, such as climbing stairs or tree trunks. Additionally, many snake robots are constructed by chaining together a number of independent links. This redundancy makes them resistant to failure because they can continue to operate even if parts of their body are destroyed. Properties such as high terrain ability, redundancy, and the possibility of complete sealing of the body of the robot make snake robots very interesting for practical applications. Number 7. Cheetah Robot. This one is really amazing. MIT's Cheetah Robot is springy and light on its feet with a range of motion that rivals a champion gymnast. The 4-legged power pack can bend and swing its wide legs, enabling it to walk either right side up or upside down. The robot can also trot over uneven terrain about twice as fast as an average person's walking speed. The most impressive is its ability to perform a 360-degree backflip from a standing position. Researchers claim the cheetah is designed to be virtually indestructible, recovering with little damage even if a backflip ends in a spill. Number 6. Bionic Ant. And once again, another creation by Festo. Probably this is the most impressive company. They have designed a high-tech bionic ant to demonstrate how nanorobotics can mimic the networked, collective behavior of insects in the natural world. Festo hopes the bionic ants ANT stands for Autonomous Networking Technologies, will help pave the way for the use of many robots as industrial workers. The bionic ants are inspired by swarm intelligence. They work together under set rules, communicating with each other via a radio module on the abdomen and coordinating their movements. Swarm-based nanorobots could be used to move heavy loads, assemble structures, or perform large-scale cleanup operations. Swarm intelligence is increasingly being deployed in nanorobotics to create intelligence through collective ability. Number 5. Miro Robot. This one looks like a real fish. Korean company Aero has a robotic fish called Miro, the only biomimetic robot fish in the world. It has tons of different color and light options, but moreover, you can also guide Miro with a controller and capture it with a fishing rod. This robot has 2 motors and multiple sensors that allows it to swim in all directions and dive as deep as 50 meters underwater. The technology of this robot is so impressive that with 10 hours per charge, lasts really longer than other robots. Also, Miro can be remotely controlled by a camera attached to it. Number 4. The Bionic Opter. The Bionic Opter is one of the most efficient flying robots due to the fact it is more maneuverable than the others. This robot moves its wings like a real insect, which is absolutely incredible. Robot can fly to the top of the back and make an abrupt stop in midair. This is so exciting that Festo has technically mastered the highly complex flight characteristics of the Dragonfly. In addition to control of the shared flapping frequency and twisting of the individual wings, each of the 4 wings also features an amplitude controller. The tilt of the wings determines the direction of thrust. Amplitude control allows the intensity of the thrust to be regulated. The robot is very good-looking and can assume almost any position in space. This robot can follow commands in real time thanks to its sensors, which allow it to access its surroundings at the same time it receives instructions. Number 3. Bionic Kangaroo. Probably you wonder if there could be something more impressive. Oh yeah, here we have a bionic kangaroo. With the bionic kangaroo, Festo has technologically reproduced the unique way a kangaroo moves. Like in Natural Model, it can recover the energy when jumping, store it, and efficiently use it for the next jump. On the artificial kangaroo, Festo intelligently combines pneumatic and electrical drive technology to produce a highly dynamic system. The stable jump kinematics plus the precise control technology ensure stability when jumping and landing. The consistent lightweight construction facilitates the unique jumping behavior. The system is controlled by gestures. Want to have such a kangaroo robot at home? Number 2. Vincross Hexa. Not really an animal, but this robot is expected to solve some big humanities problems. Now, I'm not a fan of any kind of creepy crawlies, but the Vincross Hexa robot is just too cute. We saw this cute creature at CES 2019, finding the 6-legged smart robot both agile and compact. We could see it as a solid companion to explore any kind of environment. Equipped with a 720p camera for night vision, a 3-axis accelerometer, a distance measuring sensor, and more, Vincross hopes that one day the little 6-inch tall robot will be able to solve some big problems. Number 1. BBC Spy Robot. What does a newly hatched crocodile see while it is being transported to water between its mother's jaws? How should a wild dog pup behave if it wants to be accepted by an approaching pack of adults? These and other questions can be answered thanks to spy creatures used to film them. Using 30 remote-controlled robotic animals, each concealing miniature cameras, program makers captured footage they say is among some of the most intimate and revealing to date, showing a range of animal behaviors that appear to demonstrate grief, friendship, and even empathy with other species. This is really amazing that to know more about the wild animals world, we can use robots. These robots can be disguised as rock or a specific animal, allowing them to sneak in and capture the rarest wildlife footage. Are there any more animal robots to be added to the list? Which animal robots would you like to have more information about? Drop your opinions in the comments section. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and slap that notification bell in case of future videos.